Bro, take the sanitizer, hit on my hand.
Oh fuck.
Okay, hit it away. Hit it away.
I hope you are recording, not.
Hey, hi, this is Tom here and you're watching Distraction Routes. I am at the hostel here in Wagamon, and right now we are going to the infinity pool. It should be a great experience. The weather is amazing and it's raining actually. The way is beautiful, and behind me is Irshad. He's my roommate and we are having a great time together. So there is the hostel. We're going downhill into the infinity pool, into the jungle. Hopefully there are no leeches. This guy got one bite in the morning. He was very happy with that. So how did you feel about Wagamon?
Oh, it's been amazing. And early morning I went for a walk at 6:30 a.m. It was raining, it was drizzling, and it was very beautiful. It was foggy. Just love the environment over here.
Yeah, absolutely. It's very beautiful. You can see how the fog is down and it's drizzling also. Very beautiful scenes.
Hey,
this is Vinish here, and he's the one working at the properties hostel here. He's the one who's taking us to the place there. So you want to tell something about the place, Vinish?
Yeah, this place is awesome. You watch and yeah.
So he just wants you to watch it. He doesn't want to describe it or tell anything about it. He just wants you people to watch it. And there's a whole bunch of people just coming right behind me there. It's amazing actually. I've been repeating the word amazing, but it's actually very beautiful and very amazing here. That's why I cannot stop myself from talking. It's really beautiful. Holding the umbrella in one hand. Look at that falls there. Amazing. I'm not able to shoot well because I am holding the umbrella in one hand. Very beautiful. He says that we are not going that way. We're going the opposite direction. Leeches. He says that there are a lot of leeches. Be careful. Yeah, we are expecting 1 or 2 bites actually. Surely we'll get a bite. And this is the beautiful scene walking here.
എല്ലാരും വരുന്നുണ്ടോ? എല്ലാരും വരുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ?
വരുന്നവരെ വരും. You can hear all the sounds of nature.
I have.
So there's a special creature here.
Where did it go?
There it is. We're trying to. There's another one here. All these are leeches.
Guys, be careful. Leak? Huh? Where? Where? उनको भी देना. उनको.
Da, anda kaiyil, da, adi da. Da, sanitizer edutadi. Bro, take the sanitizer, hit on my hand.
Oh fuck.
Okay, hit it away. Hit it away.
Already ഉള്ളിൽ കയറി ഉണ്ടാവും. Oh.
So many leeches everywhere.
भैया.
Da, anda kaiyil. Da, sanitizer edutadi. Bro,
ബ്രോ കാരണം കുടിച്ച് തീർത്ത്.
ഓക്കെ, തട്ടിക്കളഞ്ഞാ അതിന്. അവര് വരുന്നില്ലേ? അട്ട നോക്കിക്കോട്ടോ. Bro, are you okay?
So we are having struggle here crossing the stream. We all are waiting for the people to come. We just fell down into the water. We are just waiting for them. That's a beautiful scene here. The stream flows between two mountains. We all are trying to reach the infinity pool and it's taking a lot of time. There's another water crossing here. Yeah, I have a channel, small one. പേടിക്കാതെ പോ.
Oh, this is the pool. Is this the pool, please?
Bibire, idano? Idano? So that's the infinity pool right there. Very beautiful. And from the infinity pool, there's a falls going down. The water goes down. So we should be careful. Be careful. That's what Irshad is also telling. Be careful. Now it's not raining. Good, it's not raining. It's beautiful sights. Wonderful. So finally reached here at the infinity pool. This is the scenes here. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And there is Bipin here who got us here. Amazing, man. Amazing. So we'll get into the water now.
അതിനെ കയറുക.
1, 2, 3. It's amazing, it's amazing. The place is amazing. It's slippery also, I need to be careful. So that was the infinity pool there. That's the infinity pool there. I tried to take some underwater shots. It had come out well, hopefully. So just going up there. It looks beautiful out there. So I thought I'll go there. This is the beauty of Wagamon. So that was an amazing experience. Thanks to Bipin, he's behind me. And this is the infinity pool here in Wagamon. If you come to the hostel, you can enjoy this beautiful scene and you can get into the water and have so much fun. It was a lot of fun, and that's the view behind me, the infinity pool. Thanks to Bipin, and it was a really beautiful experience. So thank you for watching, and see you guys with yet another exciting video next week.